Morning guys, samahan ninyo ako mag-enjoy tayo i-enjoy natin ang sunshine dahil it will be rainy, it will be cloudy this afternoon, so namnamin natin ang sunrise, sunshine. Time check tayo, it's 10:05 in the morning. Seems my phone is dark, or it's just my eyeglasses changing to iikot lang tayo guys. Stay focused tayo. Oh wow. Blowing air. Na-blow ang lahat ng flowers on the trees. Pupunta tayo sa aking favorite park. Sa aking favorite na pwesto, no? May mga kids na andyan dahil may playground, so dito tayo sa other side of this park. Parang may naglilinis, parang busy dito. OMG. May trabaho, may ginagawang trabaho. Oh boy. Oh, they are cleaning around, so parang hindi tayo pwede ditong hindi tayo pwede ditong sumayaw. Busy ang lahat. Oh, they are doing works here. Oh wow, that's nice. Ipakita ko nga sa inyo, no? Ipakita ko ang may nagwo-work dyan, oh. Ano nga natin? May going on constructions or working, cleaning the garage, garage, cleaning the yard. OMG. Yan, may nagmomow. Talaga naman. May nagmomow. Yan. Okay. Sasayaw sana ako dito. Paano ako sumayaw? Very busy ang look at that, oh. Very busy ang very busy. So, hindi tayo pwedeng sumayaw dito. Hello, guys. OMG. I was trying to dance, guys. You know, I am also frustrated dancer, you know. Yung gustong-gusto kong sumayaw pero ayaw ng aking mga paa. Oh my God, oh gosh, guys, I was trying to, well, I've been practicing this kind of dance of bachata, and I really a fan of those kind of bachata dance. Anything like cha-cha. Oh my gosh, yun lang ang kaya ng lola ninyo, OMG. But anyway, I was trying to, you know, to record my dancing, and it made me laugh, guys. And then I can't stay longer over there because there's one mama with the kids, and I was in the playground, and when I was entering here, there was so many kids, so I don't want to be there. But then I went to the other side, as I think I showed to you. I took a video around there, but there's constructions going on. So when I came back around here, the playground was clear, no kids. So, and then there's one car there. Mama has 2 kids, so when I saw her getting ready over, taking her kids out from the car, so it's time for me to get out there. Dahil natatawa ako. Guys, I'm looking so cold, right? But it's like windy, and it's in 50s, so it's kind of warm. Better than, you know, snowy days. So yeah. So guys, time check tayo. It's 10:23 a.m. Tuesday morning over here. Another lingaw-lingaw galore, entertainment galore. For I can't think of breakfast. Oh my God, I am trying to push myself again, guys, to, you know, to do my intermittent diet, because as I mentioned to you the other times, I really stopped dieting while we are in Florida. So, you know, so we enjoyed our vacation over there. OMG, I am a beach lover, you know, even though it's a Gulf of Mexico, excuse me, but the place was so beautiful. So we were there for 6 days, and our place where we stayed, it's so awesome. And Sandcastle Resort in Sarasota and Lido Beach. It's beautiful. I really tried to avoid elevator. I have a problem with elevator, so good thing we found this place that is a 2-story resort, and we have our own a door, has a balcony at the back. You can see the ocean from our balcony. You can do your laundry, and there is 2 swimming pool. One is heated pool, but not so warm for me. I was cold. But anyway, we enjoyed. We went to um